Hey family, welcome back to Cookhouse. This is your Uncle Bud here. So everybody's on a keto kick these days, trying to lose a little weight. That's a fine thing. The only problem with it is you lose certain things you want. You can't have onion rings because they have bread. You can't have fried green beans because it has bread. But those things don't take too well to fry without bread. So that's all in the store. A bag of zucchini spirals. Low carb, perfect for keto it says. Not much on flavor. So I said, I need to start working on some way to make this delicious as well as nutritious. And I got an air fryer and I took the zucchini spirals, I put it in there, followed the directions. Just didn't come out like I wanted. The edges were all burnt, but the center was still wet and soggy and just not good. I said, so let's go a little more traditional method of frying. So I got my big pot, that's that big fella back here. Fill up some oil, got up to 350, 360. Put the noodles in the microwave and steamed them according to the instructions. Drained off in a fine mesh strainer all the excess moisture I could. Then I lightly sprinkled them in. Well, you know it, fried up beautifully. I was like, man, it smelled great. It had that fried food smell with not being greasy. It had crunch to it. Put a little salt on top. Wonderful. I was like, I gotta share this with the family. So that's what we're doing today. I've already gotten the zucchini drained, as you can see. Got the oil just on temperature over here. So we're gonna step over, fry it up, show you how good it is. Let's get to it. So we got our oil, you can see it's about an inch of frying oil there. It's up to 360. Now just be careful now because there's a little excess water still in these. It's going to jump a little bit because it's so low and we have tall sides. It's going to be okay. This water inside is instantly steaming, which allows us to push out the water, but cook in a high wet environment without letting the oil in. See how that steam rising? A little bit in here. That's won't take long, so we're not going to cut away on this one. Here you'll notice when these excess moisture bubbles go down, you'll see it starting to float. Now you can see the zucchini in there already. Okay, so we're just watching. We're trying to smash anything down. It's going to come to a golden brown. That's when it's going to be done. One long continuous shot. It's like we're Hollywood over here. There shouldn't be anything floating. Well, everything should be floating. There should be nothing at the bottom of the pot. I'm just going to move it around. Everybody's starting to get a slight golden hue to it. That's what we're looking for. Pull this out. Let it sit here and drain for half a second or so. Put a little kosher salt on top and enjoy as soon as you can take the burnt flavor to your mouth. Which shouldn't take long because this does cool pretty quick. And you see it starting to pile up on itself inside where it's coming above the oil line. Just another minute or so. Yeah, we're doing one of those with ASMR, I believe that's what it's called, the audio shows or videos on YouTube that just play the very in-depth sound. This would be a nice one. But we're not doing that here. Once I be quiet for a minute. Let me lean in a little bit. Is that what they expect? Perhaps. If you can hear me whisper. Multi-talented. That's what we're going for. For you, family. Because I love you. Just a few more. I'm going to check it. It's starting to look really good now. Come on. Come on, there we go. Now you can replace French fries, onion strings if you want. Like I say, it gives you that fried flavor without the supposed guilt they say you should have. I say moderation. Enjoy your life. We only get one, make it a good one. We'll take this out here and do a little countdown. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 1/4, 1. Look at that. Nice golden brown, nice and noodly. Green a little bit. See how everything's kind of fluffed up? Doesn't look soggy. Smells really good. Could be a good way to get your kids to eat their veggies if you have that issue. Personally, I grew up eating magic little trees. That's what broccoli was to us. But then I don't probably eat much anything. Alright, let's come over here, throw a little salt on it, have a taste. Like I said, we're going to sprinkle a little salt on top. Not too much. Just to help bring out that flavor. And I'm going to eat my fingers, because this is for me and you can't stop me. But you can see the structural integrity is still there for the noodles. There we go. It's really good. Let me know, bite. Hot and fresh on with the waste. That is nice. Really good. So the fried zucchini spirals, delicious, great if you're in that keto. Even if you're not, give them a try. Take a little oil, take a bag of zucchini spirals. You can use fresh zucchini if you like. I haven't done that yet because I found these work so well. But I hope you do. Comment below. Tell us what you think. Tell your friends and them, tell your mom and them about us. Go ahead and subscribe if you like what we're doing here. If you don't like what we're doing, I don't know why you would subscribe. I hope you do like, so I do hope you subscribe. And we'll see you next time.